Okay, if you watch that and if you're wondering, Greg is okay, by the way, he makes it. Um, all right, let's go to 1981. Simon Anderson invented what's called a thruster, which is basically a three-fin system on the back of the board. It was it just meant more speed. You could do things like aerials and cutbacks, and so you can do suddenly you can do stunts that you can never do before on a surfboard. And the last big thing that happened to surfboards was really epoxy glue covering the boards, and that's pretty much what we still use today. Okay, so let's get to a really big deal in the world of surfing, Kelly Slater. Kelly Slater has won 11 World Surfing Championships, pretty much known as the greatest surfer of all time. From Florida, started surfing at the age of 5. By the time he was 10, he was winning events, and in 1984 he won his first U.S. championship. 2 years later, he finished third in the junior division of the World Amateur Championships in England, and won the Pacific Cup Junior Championship in Australia the following year. He turned pro in 1990. At the age of 20, he became the youngest surfing championship. He became the youngest surfing champion in the world. He also has the record for being the oldest surfing champion in the world at the age of 39 at the World Surf League Championship. In 1997, when he surpassed Mark Richards, he became the most successful champion in the history of the sport. All right, so let me get you to something really fun that I love still watching to this day, and I played as a kid. In 1987, the first video game that featured surfing came out. It was called, of course, California Games. Just purely watch this for the pure combination of entertainment and just music. I love this still to this day.